files.
Attorney Del Rosario, I'm warning you, I have documents with me. Huwag mo akong paiikutin. I don't care if you're the best lawyer in this country. Pero sa ngayon, sagutin mo lang ang tinatanong ko sa'yo. Do you know this document? I'm not asking you whether or not you saw the document.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paikot-ikot ka. Ito, Mr. Chair, ang problema sa taong ito eh. Tatanong lang kita, illegal na, di ba?
Simple. Attorney Del Rosario, simple lang po sagot. Illegal po ba? Hindi.
Yes, I agree, Mr. Chair.
May I start with you, Attorney Del Rosario? Nandiyan ka ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Can I comment on some points raised by the...
You have no right. Tinatanong ko lang kung nandiyan ka pa.
Thank you, sir.
Magaling kang magpaikot eh. And I warn you, kung ano lang tinatanong ko, yun ang sagutin mo. Huwag kang magpapaikot dito. I think, Mr. Chair, we should already advise them that right now, we're working on a complaint for plunder, malversation, and charges of administrative offenses and so many things. And the final form of this complaint will depend much entirely on the kind of answers that you will give us. Attorney Del Rosario, hindi ba ikaw ang Regional Vice President ng Region 1? Nung
Yes, sir.
220 cases against hospitals and doctors were forwarded to your office. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I was once...
Yes or no?
Regional Vice President. Yes, I was once Regional Vice President of PhilHealth, Region 1.
In 2019, nung hindi na ikaw ang Senior Vice President, teka muna, you were asked to file 220 cases. Ilan ang pinail mo?
I'm sorry, Mr. President. The ones filing the...
I am
cases
asking
is,
you, out of the 220 cases endorsed to your office, how many cases did you file?
The Regional Vice President is not the one filing cases, Mr. President. It's the legal office of the region that files...
Attorney Del Rosario, I'm warning you, I have documents with me. Huwag mo akong paiikutin. I don't care if you're the best lawyer in this country. Pero sa ngayon, sagutin mo lang ang tinatanong ko sa'yo. Because in 2019, nung hindi na ikaw ang Senior Vice President, ito ang lumitaw. Only 3 cases were filed versus St. Catherine Hospital. Totoo hindi.
I don't have the data. As I've told you, Mr. President, the one filing the cases...
What do you know? Palaging paikot-ikot eh. Ikaw ang binigyan ng SPA. Do you want me to show the document that you were given an SPA by then Interim President and CEO de la Serna to file appropriate criminal, civil, and administrative cases, for example, against several culprits. This is dated November 2, 2017. Hindi mo aaminin dito?
Mr. President, Mr. Chair, that particular...
I am asking you, do you know about this SPA?
I've known that SPA only of late, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman. I've not seen that that particular document was forwarded directly to
I
the...
am asking you
unit.
if you know this because this is an SPA issued to you by Interim President CEO de la Serna, dated November 2, 2017. I have the
During that
documents with me.
Yes, sir. I've already seen that document, but
Oh.
I cannot remember seeing that document in 2017, Your
Stop.
Honor, Mr. Chair.
There was even an endorsement dated 13 September 2017 for the filing of criminal and administrative case against a certain Dr. Martin Corpus. You know this document, don't you?
I've seen that document on...
Do you know this document? I'm not asking you whether or not you saw the document.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paikot-ikot ka. Ito, Mr. Chair, ang problema sa taong ito eh. Despite all this, SPA endorsement, 220 cases endorsed to your office since you were acting Regional Vice President of Region 1. Wala kang ginawang pinail na kaso kahit isa. For example, it was also disclosed Nung mawala ka na sa Region 1, 11 cases are missing. 10 cases versus Elguira General Hospital. 1 case against Dr. Macario Macaraeg. You deny this?
I'm not aware of that, Mr.
Oh, yan. Yan ka na naman. You remember, I have all the documents. I don't care if you remember or you don't remember. That's your problem. When did you or PhilHealth furnish the Office of National Administrative Hospital of UP? When? When did Honor of UP Law Center receive the 3 copies from PhilHealth?
Sir, it's not my office that is in charge of that. So maybe we can ask the sector.
Maybe ka na naman eh. You are the Executive Vice President ng legal sector. You have worked for PhilHealth for 20 years or so. Pati lang itong effectivity. Ito na naman, paikot-ikot ka na naman. Alam mo ito eh. Do I need to tell you or give you the document? Ako mismo
Sir,
ang ang nag-search eh.
Sir, during the Senate hearing, it was mentioned that it was only in June that PhilHealth provided copies to the Honor.
So what day in June? What day in June?
If I remember it right, it's June 11, yung document shown by Senator Lacson.
Alam mo na yun eh. Magmamali ka pa eh. June 11, hindi 7. Do I need to correct you every time?
I said June 11, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So ngayon, alam natin, ito palang IRM took effect legally June 11, 2020. So what happened to the funds that you disbursed prior to this date? What?
Sir, it appears that the requirement of the circular was not satisfied as to the requirement to furnish the...
What kind of answer is that? Are you a lawyer? Talaga ba lawyer ka? June 11, nung magkaroon ng kopya ang owner of the UP Law Center. Meaning to say, doon lang nag-take effect yung yung circular 2020-0007. Alright? Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, what happened to the funds disbursed prior to this date? Let's say March, April, May, and June 10. What happened to those funds?
Sir, it would appear that those funds were not released based on the prerequisites set by the circular on the publication and the furnishing of copies to the owner.
What? Can you speak better than that? Do you have a better explanation than that? Napakasimple ng tanong ko eh. Ano ngayon ang mangyayari doon sa pondo na nirelease ninyo prior to the effectivity of this circular?
So it is without authority, it would appear, Mr. Chair.
Anong sabi niya?
Without authority.
Oh, so walang authority. Then what happens to you now? To all of you?
Illegal.
O illegal? Okay. Mabuti yan nagsasabi ka na ng totoo ngayon.
Ako yun. Ako nagsabi nun. Honorable Marcoleta.
Ah, ikaw ba?
Oh, pasagutin natin sila.
Do you agree to the statement of the chairman? Illegal? Oh, hindi na makasagot.
Are you asking me? Yes, Mr. I agree with
Oh,
the
illegal,
chairman.
di ba? Illegal na.
It did not comply.
Tinatanong
With,
lang kita, illegal na, di ba?
Yes, I agree, Mr.
Simple.
Chairman.
Attorney Del Rosario, simple lang po sagot. Illegal po ba? Hindi.
Yes, I agree, Mr. Chair.
Ano sagot,
Na-
Mr. Chair?
Sabi niya, yes, I admit, I am pretty certain. Is that correct?
I agree with the chairman that it's illegal.
Oh,
Was that properly recorded, Mr. Chair?
yes, Honorable Marcoleta.